There's a problem.
So all I have is this rice cooker. You gotta figure it out. My first time doing it.
If you've seen my previous videos, you are well familiar with the dining system over here. We have 10 dining halls, and the thing is, they are only opened at specific times. Like for breakfast, they would be open from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Or for brunch, lunch, they would be open from 10:30 to 2 p.m. For dinner, they would be open from 5 to 8 p.m.
Plug this in.
An issue that often happens is that the timings in between, someone can get hungry.
I have absolutely zero clue whether this is working.
But I cannot go to the dining hall because they're closed during that times. So today I'm going to be cooking Indian food. It is currently 2:30 p.m. which means all the dining halls on West Campus are closed.
I'm gonna use my water bottle.
Only the ones in North Campus, they have late lunch offers, but that's so far, that's like 30-minute walk. So I'm gonna be cooking Indian food in this very room, in my dorm.
I'm gonna assume it's working.
And that Indian food dish is pohe.
Let's check, is the water boiling? Ooh, it is hot. Although there's no, it's not boiling, but this thing is really hot. Okay, it is quite hot. I'm surprised there's no bubbles, it's really hot. I'm gonna let the water boil a little bit longer. Okay, now you can see a bit of the bubbles. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pour the water now. This. Not too much. Just make sure it all gets a bit of water. I think that should be good. And then, take a spoon. I'm gonna mix this for a bit. Let it absorb all the water. I think I put the perfect amount of water. Wow, because it's actually not here anymore. Like, it's not like overflowing with water. It seems it's absorbed it really well. Smell. Oh my god. I picked up the tray. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just when I was so damn freaking hungry. Oh my god. Yo, it's so difficult to take it off when it's carpet. Oh my god, disgusting. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna eat this first, and I'm gonna go and vacuum my room. To be fair, it's a good signal because I need to clean up my room. It's a pretty filthy mess. You know, my socks are just here. Okay, let me eat. And we'll be good. And then I'll go and clean up my room. Let's taste this. How does this taste? It tastes expired. Hope it's not. Oh shit. It expired on 6th of March. But I'm hungry. I didn't know it's expired so quickly. I can't have this. I should have read the expiry. No man, this is such a disaster. I'm gonna go vacuum my room. So what the hell? It's not even working. Oh my god, that's why, because it's already full. Now I go and get the vacuum to vacuum my room, and it doesn't even vacuum. Oh my god, I have to go find another vacuum now.
because this room is in a mess.
Okay, secured the other vacuum. Let's try this. It'll work. What the hell? What the absolute shit? I feel the vacuum has just made it even worse.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna give myself 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, this beauty is going to transform itself to a beauty no one can even imagine. I'm gonna give myself 15 minutes to do that. Ready? Set. Go.
That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. That's five. Jeez, look at this. Look at how fresh this carpet is looking.
If your room is really clean, good for you. You can enjoy seeing my room being very messy and the satisfaction of it going to be very clean very soon. And if your room is messy, well, now is going to be a montage of me cleaning up my room. Clean your room too. This will no longer be coming in handy. I don't have any more things to cook. All my pohes are gonna be thrown in the bin. Oh my god. It's a good signal because I need to clean up my room.
And we're done. Look at how clean this looks now with this stunning view. The blanket, the bed has been made, and my jacket, all the garbage I've collected.
What a way to end it off. I'm content with how the room looks right now.
So we have this table is set, the bed over here.
I had to turn on the fan. Reason being, it is stinking. It is stinking of expired pohe.